The 2026 Japan's Campervan presents itself as a compact yet highly efficient motorhome designed with smart space utilization and modern travel needs in mind. Its boxy profile immediately suggests that practicality is the top priority. At first glance, the exterior design looks clean and modern. The gray and white color combination gives it a premium touring vehicle appearance while maintaining a functional campervan style. One of the most noticeable features is the overcab sleeping section. This design maximizes interior sleeping capacity without increasing the vehicle's total length too much. The overall size appears compact compared to larger RVs, which makes it ideal for Japan's narrower roads, urban parking spaces, and mountain routes. Japanese campervan design is known for intelligent use of space, and this 2026 model seems to continue that tradition with an efficient rectangular body shape. The side access door placement is practical and makes entry and exit easy during camping stops. Large side windows improve visibility and allow more natural light inside, making the cabin feel more spacious. The overcab sleeping compartment likely provides comfortable room for 2 adults, which is perfect for couples and small families. Inside, the main living section is expected to include foldable seating that converts into an additional bed. A compact kitchenette setup is likely included, featuring a sink, mini stove, refrigerator, and cabinet storage. Storage appears to be one of the strongest features. Side compartments and external utility doors provide additional room for camping equipment. The rear section likely includes a small washroom or utility space, which is common in premium Japanese campervans. One major strength of this type of camper is fuel efficiency. Compared to large American-style RVs, Japanese campervans are generally lighter and more economical. The suspension is likely tuned for comfort and stability, especially on long-distance touring roads. The compact wheelbase helps with easy turning and maneuverability in tight urban streets. Driving comfort is expected to feel closer to a van than a traditional motorhome, which makes it easier for first-time RV drivers. Interior materials in Japanese campervans are usually clean, minimal, and highly practical. Another likely advantage is climate efficiency, with insulation and AC systems optimized for 4-season use. Technology features may include a touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, rear camera, and driver assistance tools. The roof structure seems strong enough to support solar panels or additional storage systems. One limitation may be reduced interior width compared to full-size motorhomes. However, for solo travelers and couples, the space should feel more than sufficient. The design clearly focuses on long road trips and practical overnight camping. Its premium exterior graphics and branding also make it visually appealing for YouTube automotive content. Reliability is often a major strength of Japanese camper vehicles, making this model ideal for extended travel. Overall, the 2026 Japan's Campervan is a smart, efficient, and stylish compact RV that perfectly balances mobility, comfort, and everyday practicality for adventure travel.